Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make sticky toffee pudding. Let's make the date puree first. You need some chopped dates, some water to boil the dates, a little baking soda. Pour the water to the saucepan, heat it up until it's boiling, then add the dates and boil them at medium heat. When the water is bubbling, remove the saucepan from the heat and add baking soda. Keep stirring for 1 minute. Then back on heat. Stir for another minute. Then turn off the heat. Transfer the dates puree to the pan and let it cool down. Now I'm ready to prepare the date pudding. You need all-purpose flour, some softened unsalted butter, some Muscovado sugar. I use black treacle. If you cannot find it, golden syrup or Blackstrap molasses is the substitute. You also need 1 beaten egg, vanilla extract, some baking powder, a little salt. Place the butter in a mixing bowl. Add Muscovado sugar, then mix them. After a good whisk, the consistency becomes paste and the color becomes light. Then add the beaten egg, mix them well. Add the black treacle. Then add vanilla extract. Now I will add flour, baking powder, and salt. Sieve them all together. Gently mix them all until there is no loose flour. Don't forget the date puree. Now it is cool enough to add to the mixture. The date pudding batter is finished. Preheat the oven at 350. My recipe is enough for 2 persons, so I use 2 8-ounce ramekins. To prepare the ramekin, I grease the surface first, then add some flour. Transfer the batter to the ramekins. I'm going to bake them for 30 minutes. While waiting, I will make the toffee sauce. You need unsalted butter, some Muscovado sugar, black treacle, vanilla extract, some heavy cream. Get a saucepan, melt butter at low heat. Add the Muscovado sugar. Add the vanilla extract. Add the black treacle. Then add the heavy cream. When it is boiling, turn off the heat. Let's check the date pudding. Stick with the toothpick. It comes dry means they're ready. Let them cool down for 10 minutes. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So each sticky toffee pudding costs me $3.50. The pudding is moist, covered with the buttery toffee sauce, topped with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. I'm going to enjoy this sticky toffee pudding. Thanks for watching my video.